Ladies and gentlemen, here he comes. He love you a long time. Mr. Ken Ober.
Hi, kids. How are you?
Hi, Ober.
Hey, what's up? We're shaking, man. We're shaking.
Woo.
Yeah.
To the left, man.
Yeah,
to the left.
Thanks. Say hello to Jeff right here in the ticket. Jeff is from Boston. Works for ticket agency. Used to train greyhounds, huh? Used to train greyhounds. What did you train them to do?
Run around the track.
Oh, okay. All right. As opposed to other things, I suppose. Say hello to Tasha in the middle. Tasha lives in New York City. She's a student. On the end, say hello to Barry. Barry's from Brooklyn. He's a student. Wish them luck.
Hey, boys.
Oh, you're so... All right. Questions, answers, prizes. That's simple, like any other game show. Tasha, go ahead.
Okay, for my mom, I picked channel 2.
Channel 2. There's no stopping them. 5 points. What cartoon chipmunk team has the same name as the hunky beefcakes who prance around in G-strings for screaming housewives? Jeff.
Chippendales.
Yes, 5 points. They're behind you, Jeff. I'm not sure if that's a good thing.
Let's stay with cartoons, Kenny.
Okay, cartoons, 10 points. Name the underage amphibian martial arts freak who has their own... Jeff.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Yes. Jeff, you are a bright man.
I've been brushing up on the Teenage Turtles.
Mutant Ninja Turtles. You must be very proud. Go ahead.
Let's close it out for the sweep.
Okay, 15 points. What kind of animal was Hong Kong Phooey? That's Barry.
He was a dog.
A dog, right. 15.
Ken, I'll
Barry.
take channel 5.
Channel 5. Elvis. Ah, yes. To make Elvis happy during the filming of Jailhouse Rock, the MGM commissary added what? That's Tasha.
Peanut butter?
No, added what? Fried product to their menu. That's Barry.
Fries? French fries?
No. Jeff, want to take a stab?
Bananas.
Bananas. I don't know if they're cheering with you or at you. Bacon is what we're looking at.
Ken, I'll move on to channel 8.
Okay, channel 8. Cheers.
Why they applaud?
Why?
You have to look at the camera and go, cheers. Instead of just go, cheers for 5 points.
They will clap anyway because there's a guy standing there making them clap. So if we take that
it
guy,
doesn't help, is
if
all
we
I'm
fire that guy, then they won't clap.
There you go.
That's simple. 5 points. Which Cheers character had the maiden name of Lose a Pony? Jeff.
Carla.
Yes, 5 points. I know, because they couldn't possibly be that excited about Cheers on their own. Go ahead, Jeff.
Oh, stay with Cheers, definitely.
Okay, Cheers again, 10 points. See, the guy doesn't make them do it, and they don't do it. It's the guy, it's not me. 10 points. Rebecca went to a plastic surgeon to have a mole removed from what part of her body? That's Jeff.
Her butt.
Her butt. Thank you, Jeff. Tasha.
Her breast?
Her breast. I'm afraid to hear what comes out of Barry's mouth. Barry.
Her face?
No. Her back. Lower part of her back. Go ahead, Jeff.
Let's close it out.
Okay, 15 points. If you believe that sign over the entrance, in what year was Cheers established? Tasha.
1873?
No. Jeff.
1889.
No. Barry.
1886.
No. 1895. They boo or cheer on everything. I like it. Jeff, go ahead.
Let's go with number 3.
3. Channel 3. Think real fast. 10 points each. I don't. That's why the Philippines almost toppled. Here we go. 10 points. I'll name the TV show and you name that show's ugly, faithful manservant. Okay? 10 points each. Here we go. The Addams Family. Jeff.
Lurch.
Yes. Batman. Jeff. No, someone else.
Alfred.
Barry. Yes. Family Affair. Tasha.
Sebastian.
No.
Mr.
Jeff.
French.
Yes. Heart to Heart. Barry. No.
Sam.
Someone else. No. Max. Who's the boss? Tasha.
Tony.
Yes. Soap. Jeff.
Oh, I don't know.
No. Barry. Yes. 10 points. All right, Barry, you have 35 points. You're in second place. Jeff has 40 in the lead. Tasha on the board with 10. Go ahead, Barry.
Okay, how about channel 7?
It's Barry. I know. Tasha, jump right in. Barry, you get to choose.
Ken, can I have channel 1, please?
Channel 1, black and white TV. What?
Couldn't have just left it, right?
Colin, according to the rules, no, I couldn't have.
I said he couldn't have.
I want the FCC knocking on my
He
door.
couldn't have just said, okay, keep it on channel 7.
Oh, sure I could have.
No, he could have.
Well, don't direct it at me. Go over and tell him.
But I was just trying to have a conversation.
5 points. On the Addams Family, what musical instrument did Lurch play? Barry.
The organ.
No. Tasha.
Piano.
No. Jeff.
He played the piano, didn't he?
Jeff, what did you think? If you pleaded, I would give it to you? A harpsichord. Go ahead, Barry. Excuse me, that's the voice of my mother, if you watch the show regularly. Yes,
Can
Ma.
you get that palooka to sing me some Duran Duran?
Yes, I sure can. 10 points. Finished Duran Duran's song, sung by Colin Quinn.
Her name is Rio, and she dances on the sand. Just like that river twisted through a dusty land. And where she shines, she really shows you all she can. Oh, Rio, Rio, dance.
Barry.
Through a dusty land.
No. Tasha.
Across the Rio Grande.
10 points. All right, listen up. 15 points. Sing the next line to this OJ's classic.
Somebody's out to get your lady. A few of your buddies, they sure look shady. Blades almost clenched out in their fist, aiming straight at your back, and I don't think they'll miss. They smile in your face all the time. They want to take your place.
Tasha.
The Backstabbers.
15 points. All right, Tasha. That puts you in a tie for second place with Barry with 35 points. Jeff has 40. We got a little snack for you, some Oreos and milk. We're going to come back, play round 2, and the survivor has a shot at this stuff.
Straight, deep, leatherweight pair of sunglasses by Ray-Ban. Elegant embossed leather that's right in step with today's fashion. Wayfarer, the world's finest sunglasses from Bausch & Lomb.
It's a collection of Motown CDs, including the latest hits from such artists as Bruce Willis and Diana Ross.
Introducing Scrapwear leather jackets by Scrapwear Products, featuring removable pieces of found object art jewelry. Scrapwear Products, the newest urban beat jacket decor.
Denon's DCV 520 compact disc player offers outstanding CD quality and the convenience of remote control from Denon, the first name in digital audio.
When remote control continues.
Nathaniel Harrison and his brother were separated at birth. Nathaniel was raised in a stately manner, his brother in a more casual manner. Nathaniel learned to appreciate the finer foods. His brother ate what he wanted. Today, Nathaniel drives a family car and earns $180,000 a year. His brother plays guitar and makes about $18 million. Some food for thought from Steakum. Food for fun.
For those considering a Toyota Camry, some revealing news. There's another 5-passenger sedan with front-wheel drive, fuel-injected engine, roomier trunk, and it's $1,200 less than the Toyota Camry. In fact, this German-engineered 1990 Volkswagen Jetta GL including its new features, costs less than last year. So stop tearing your hair out about new car prices. It's time to think about Volkswagen again.
Do you like good music? That sweet soul music.
Silver Eagle Records presents Heart and Soul of the 60s.
It's your thing. Do what you wanna do. Who's making love to your old lady? When I'm mad.
40 classic hits by the original artists.
Papa's got a brand new bag. Baby, I love you. Just give me some
Digitally
kind of
remastered on 3 LPs, 3 cassettes, or 2 compact discs.
I better knock on wood. Can you slip away? Slip away. I'm sitting on the dock of
Heart and Soul of the 60s is not available in any store. Order yours now on 3 LPs or 3 cassettes, $19.95. 2 compact discs, $24.95. Write or call now.
Welcome back to the only game show that Ken Ober will have any part in remote control. Double message.
Did you write that? All right, we're back. What a game. Jeff has 40, Tasha and Barry 35 each. Tasha, go ahead. Channel 4. Time once again to visit with the most stupid, fresh homies I know. PJ, Jazzy Flip, and the French Prince. Listen and guess who Flip is rapping about.
Boating down in Santa Fe, or do I chance to see the luscious one with happy hair, host Club MTV? I said, can I be on your show to boogie with Camille? She said, don't get your hopes up, you little eel.
Jeff.
Julie Brown.
Yes, 20 points. All right, Jeff, 60 points. What do you want to do?
Sing me another song, Jazzy Flip.
I'm in Jersey jamming, cruising north to Camden. Saw the mega star, the former Mrs. Cramden. Her kisses make me swoon. We were playing Love's tune. Then her homeboy man came in and sent her flying to the moon. Word.
Name the actress he's talking about, Tasha.
Alice?
The actress. Give me the actress name.
Joyce
Barry.
Randolph?
No.
Oh,
Jeff.
Audrey Meadows?
Yes, 30 points. 90 points, Jeff. All right, go ahead, Jeff.
Oh, okay. 3.
Channel 3. Inside Teeny Others. Remote control hypothetically goes to an no game show it's gone before. Inside Teeny Others. Here we go, 10 points. While trying to get John Lovitz all hot and ready for love, Tina slips some placebos into his Mai Tai. What do placebos really do? Barry.
They do nothing.
They do nothing. They're sugar pills. 10 points. Good, Barry, what do you want to do?
I'll stick with the same channel, Ken.
Okay, staying inside Teeny Others. For 20 points. When a seductive Tina dabs some whale sperm behind her ears, which of the 5 senses is she trying to appeal to? Jeff.
Her hearing.
Her hearing. No. Barry.
Or smell. Or no.
Smell, right. Whale sperm is used in perfume.
I'll close out this category.
Okay, 30 points now. Rob Lowe invites Tina to watch a hidden camera video of their 12 minutes of frenzied love play. As Tina watches, her eyes break down each color in the graphic video into a combination of how many basic colors? That's Jeff.
3.
Right, 3. Tina and I can only perceive combos of red, green, and blue. All right.
Okay, let's
Jeff,
go.
120 now.
Let's try number 6, Ken.
Channel 6. Ah, yes, it's a visit from the legendary, world-renowned animal trainer, Gunther Gable, Billy, he's got a lot of names.
Hey there, Kenneth.
Guten Tag, mein dyed hair. How are you?
Mein Oberfuhrer, today I shall truly astound and amaze you. Right now, these beautiful salamanders of Satan shall perform a truly astounding and amazing feat. When I give the cue, they shall jump up and start to juggle these folding chairs above their green little heads. Quiet on the set. Action. All right. I might have to prod him. I'll just kill
Gunther.
this one, and the other one will do it, all right?
Gunther.
Let's go, fellas. Up on the chair. Come on.
Gunther, please. Gunther, don't hit the thing lizard with the hammer. Just ask
Well,
your
see, if I
question.
kill this one, the other one will do the trick right away.
Yeah, but could you just ask your question?
All right, fine. What was the slippery, slithery nickname of both football star Ken Stabler and of Natalie's boyfriend on Facts of Life?
Barry.
Snake.
Yes, 20 points. What do you want to do, Barry?
I'll switch to channel 9, Ken.
Okay, switching to channel 9.
I could crush his head with a hammer,
I'm
too.
sure you would, Gunther.
See you later, mine Overfeister.
Okay. Leave out the beaver. I'll name a TV cast. You leave out the beaver. Tell me what cast remains. Here we go, 10 points. Olivia, the beaver, Jim Bob, and John Boy. That's Jeff.
The Waltons.
Yes, 10 points, Jeff.
Let's stick with number 9.
Okay, beaver again, 20 points. Mike, Gloria, the beaver, and Archie Bunker. Jeff.
All in the Family.
Yes, 20 points. Good, Jeff.
Can we stick with 9? Close it out?
Yes, this is for 30 huge points. Bill Bixby, the beaver, and Lou Ferrigno.
The
Jeff.
Hulk.
The
Incredible
Hulk, right, 30 points. 180 now.
Let's go.
Hear that sound? That means it's time to play this, that, or the other thing. For 10 points, I will give you each 20 seconds worth. Was that even a sentence? I don't think so. It's time to play Murphy Brown, Charlie Brown, or James Brown. I'll spit out a descriptive phrase. You'll tell me which one of those fits. Remember, Murphy Brown, Charlie Brown, or James Brown. 20 seconds worth. Give me a clock. Hosts FYI. Tasha.
Charlie Brown.
No, Jeff.
Murphy Brown.
Yes, Murphy Brown. Is balder than Phil Collins. Jeff.
Charlie Brown.
Yes, the hardest working man in show business. Barry.
Charlie Brown.
No.
James Brown.
Yes, Jeff. Lives in a jail.
James
Jeff.
Brown.
Yes. A reformed alcoholic. Barry.
James Brown.
No. Jeff.
Murphy Brown.
Yes. And that's all we have time for. Oh, we have time for one more thing. Time to say goodbye to Tasha. Bye, Tasha. Jeff 230, Barry 85. Now you can wager some or all of your point total. Barry, let's face it, hopefully something large and hard will fall on Jeff's head. That really is your only shot. But you guys can figure out what and how much you want to wager, and we're going to show you why you're even bothering.
Kawai's electronic personal keyboard with 20 great sounds, built-in rhythm patterns, and a powerful digital recorder from Kawai.
The ADC Sound Shaper speaker system, powerful wide-range stereo sound from a speaker system small enough to fit in a suitcase. ADC, you'll believe it when you hear it.
Ooh, Ricardo, Beverly Hills, Rodeo Drive 2 collection, fully lined, lightweight luggage and high-density nylon construction. Travel in style from Ricardo, Beverly Hills.
The Explorer from Head Start Computers, a family personal computer with a variety of applications for home and school, comes complete with software from Head Start Computers.
All right, here's your final question of the day. Listen carefully. Quincy M.E. is faced with the toughest case of his career when the entire Partridge family dies of food poisoning after dining at Reuben Kincaid's house. If each autopsy takes 2 hours to complete, and Quincy must examine each Partridge body plus Reuben's, how many hours of work lies ahead if he is to solve this case? Understand? Good. We're just going to stand here and stare at you while you figure it out. That's it. Put your pens down. Let's find out what happened. We'll start with Barry. Barry has the lowest point total. Barry?
Ken, I have 14.
14 is correct. How much did you wager? Obviously,
I bet it all, 85 points.
Okay, very good. That gives you 170. Jeff?
I wagered 12,
your answer
12
is 12,
hours.
which is incorrect, as we now know, but it really doesn't matter. How much did you wager?
I wagered 30 points.
Yes. So you have 200. Congratulations, Jeff. Adios, Barry. Nice game, Barry. Jeff, you're going to the wheel.
Welcome to the show.
What is so funny?
One night, I woke up around 3 o'clock in the morning. I felt something cold against my shoulder. It was the ceiling. I was looking down at my own body.
I wouldn't believe it for a second.
I dreamt something once, and it came true the next day. Maybe there is something to it.
There's a word for it, the paranormal, and it's one of today's biggest issues. Now, Time Life Books brings you a new library, Mysteries of the Unknown, that looks into every area to give you all the sides.
My daughter didn't want to get on that school bus. I didn't know why, but something told me to take her seriously. I'm glad I did.
Take a serious look at a world that can no longer be ignored.
I never thought I would believe in it until it happened to me.
To order Mystic Places, call 1-800-233-7700. Examine it for 10 days. Keep it and pay just $12.99 plus shipping and handling. Keep only the ones you want. Cancel anytime. Call 1-800-233-7700.
If you like soft rock music like we do, you'll love Sessions' new album called Secret Love.
It has 48 soft rock classics by the original artist.
Just listen.
So I'm saving all my love for you. If ever you're in my arms again, nights in white satin. I've been waiting for a girl like you. I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you.
That's 4 records or 3 cassette tapes for only $19.95. 3 compact discs, only $29.95.
Call toll-free 1-800-441-0200. That's 1-800-441-0200. Or send check or money order to the address on your screen.
All right, Jeff. You're strapped onto a big metal wheel. Why? Well, you earned it. Here you go. You got 9 videos. You get all 9 right. You drive home in this.
It's the 1990 Ford Mustang LX. You'll drive in style with a sporty 2-door with 5-speed manual overdrive, power steering, and power brakes. It's fun to run, provided by Autoland, America's transportation centers. You've got friends at Autoland.
Okay, we're now going to spin you around at approximately 33 1/3 RPM. It's myself and my henchman, the Pig Boy of Alcatraz. Are you ready, Pig Boy?
I seen him on a video.
Yes, I'm sure you have. All right, good luck, Jeff. On your mark, get set, go.
Madonna.
1 right.
Midnight Oil.
2 right.
Bruce Springsteen.
3 right.
Keith Sweater.
4 right. Pass on 5.
Wally.
No. Pass on 6. 7.
All Oates.
Yes, 7. 8.
Tony Wally.
8 right. 9. 8 right.
8 right.
9. Pass on 9. Oh. 5 was Cheap Trick. 6 was Heavy D and the Boise. And 9 was REM. Very good. Taking home luggage, speaker system, keyboard, CD player, leather jacket, CDs, and Ray-Bans, Jeff. Nice game, buddy. That's remote control. Bye-bye.
All contestants receive. Get off on the right foot. Get off in BKs for the newest and hottest in footwear. It's British Knights. Wherever you go, whatever you do, British Knights are the right move for you. Take control of your life with Zena's multi-brand remote control. It operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters from the company that invented the remote control, Zena. Losing contestants receive Paul Mitchell's professional hair care collection to keep your hair looking its absolute best. From rich shampoos and conditioners to super sculpting gels, lotions, and sprays. From Paul Mitchell. Promotional consideration provided by Conair Geometrics. 5 interchangeable styling heads create zigzags, spirals, triangles, crimped, or straight hair. You can be confident if it's Conair. New Poppin' Soda Popping Candy. It'll tickle your tongue and pop your top. The soda can candy that's a blast to eat. Poppin' Soda. Guys and gals, go beaching, boarding, or just hang out in IXPA 2000's futuristic collection of active sportswear. The newest, the hottest, anywhere. IXPA 2000. Test your TV knowledge with a Nintendo game version of Remote Control. New from High-Tech Expressions.
Some tales are told, then soon forgotten. But a legend